Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about facial recognition software. Now, facial recognition software, the technology began in around the 1960s and it wasn't really developed at that time. The real type of facial recognition software that we use today pretty much started around the 1980s with Alex Pendland, who made the Eigenfaces type of software. And with this type of software began this type of line that was called the traditional type. The traditional type is pretty much a 2D thing in which the computer analyzes positions of different facial features such as noses, where your eyes are, your ears, etc. And pretty much will then store this into a computer, and then we'll be able to recognize people based off where the position of these features are. Now, the traditional type of form is the most widely type. It's even used in camera phones, such as the iPhone, in which the camera will be able to detect where a face is on your picture. More advanced type of facial recognition software is the 3D type, and what this does is analyzes a face in a 3D plane, and we'll be able to look at ridges in the face, where the valleys, where stuff stands out, that kind of stuff. And this is a much more developed type, and that's what high security firm uses. This is what the U.S. government uses in order to detect people and keep unwanted people out of the country. Another type, a third type, is the skin texture type. And the skin texture type will just analyze skins such as for scars, color, that kind of stuff. And this is in order to have another layer of detection. And it's not really widely used, not as widely used as traditional in 3D, but it's still used. Some ethical and security issues with facial recognition software is that governments like to use it in public places such as streets. The United Kingdom, for example, uses these facial recognition software in the cameras located in the streets of downtown London. And the bad thing about this is that the government can see what people are doing in the streets at all times. And some people think that's a privacy issue. And the worst thing about such software is also that it's also starting to get into homes. And for example, Samsung introduced a television last year that will recognize who's standing in front of the TV and then create a personalized profile for them, such as a TV guide and favorite programming. Now, it's one thing to have these things in the streets, but when it's in your own home, that really causes a privacy issue. So the future of facial recognition software is up in the hands of lawmakers, and it will be depending on people whether they want to have the convenience of a TV being able to recognize who they are, but then also having the privacy issues of someone watching what they're doing in their own homes. Thank you very much. What a day to be alive. Everyone have a great day.